Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use the WooCommerce WordPress plugin. So let's get right into it. Now, the WooCommerce plugin is installed automatically. It is pretty much what WordPress uses to set up storefronts. However, the downside is you do need to pay a monthly subscription, or a yearly rather, and that subscription is quite large. So I'll just show you right now. Go into WooCommerce and you can click up to set up a new store, and you can check out and do everything here, add all the information that is needed, and then as you'll see, it is $300 per year, which is quite expensive in my opinion. So I'll just go ahead and go back. And yeah, once you buy it and purchase the subscription, you do need to have an account on WooCommerce, and you can connect the two and then start operating a store. Now, once you start up a store within WordPress, you can then use WooCommerce through this. You can add products, you can do a couple of different things, look at analytics, and use all the tools at your disposal. Now, I sadly cannot show you guys since $300 is quite a large sum of money, and I sadly cannot go and subscribe to it, and I can't show you guys how it exactly works. However, you do have different things. You can add the payment information, you can add shipping, you can add the product, as I've mentioned. You can add products in groups, you can set up a maximum and minimum options for your products, etc., etc., and they are all tied to your site. So whatever you make your site to be, it's just going to use WooCommerce as the storefront. However, you're still going to have your site front end intact, and yeah, that is pretty much all you can do and all there is to it. Now, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys anymore, but it is what it is. I'll see you guys in another video.